Hey guys, it's Frank Dart again, and I'm going to be doing an unboxing video today. And this is from Firefighter. So, hang on. I'm going to open this up. Now, I'm not going to show the box quite yet for privacy reasons. Hang on. Hang on. Alright. And it's filled with packing peanuts. Awesome. So first, we have... Oh yeah, Mark, by the way, this was all wrapped very nicely. This one I want. I wanted all the ones I got. And a good amount of you probably know what I'm getting, so... This cooking device, I guess, is common. I don't know. Just a smoke detector. This is the GE smoke detector. These look like piezos on here. They're actually heat elements. Magnet test. Looks like I think that's a magnet test. And he told me I could put this on the wall flush. So I'm going to have to try that out. So that is item 1. Item 2. We have the Simplex, my first Simplex horn, the Simplex 2901-9833. I love these things so much. They're so nice. Yeah. So I have a 9833. That's awesome. I'll do a test of this later. Now for the big finality, the one you've all been waiting for. I'm gonna wait till I unwrap it. A lot of you probably know what it is. And Mark, very special thanks for this, man. I've been wanting one of these for a long time. The Firelight BG6. I finally have a BG6. Hang on. Now, I was told I could use any screw for this. So, wait a minute. Hang on. One moment, guys. I'm sorry if you're, getting a good view of my neighborhood, but... Okay, there's crap everywhere. Look at that. Surprisingly, this is the heaviest thing. This is in nice condition. I can't even explain it. So, I'm going to do a test of everything in a minute. So guys, thanks for watching.